Some people claim that Newton's laws of motion were obvious and common sense, but I think that's the Dunning-Kruger effect taking place. You hear people say that Newton says that if you push a body, it starts moving. If you stop pushing, a body stops moving. That's not even what the law actually says. That's closer to Aristotelian view on motion, which was the case for over 2000 years, but because of great contributions from scientists like Galileo and Isaac Newton, we now know that to no longer be the case anymore. Newton's first law of motion says that a body continues in a state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line unless acted upon by an external force. Yes, if a body is in a state of rest, it will need a force to move it. But if it's in a state of motion, it's not necessarily a must that this body will have to stop moving just because the force that caused it to move in the first place ceases to exist. The reason as to why a body stops moving, it's because of the resistive forces that it interacts with in nature. For example, friction, gravity, air resistance, and so on. So, if these forces that are acting onto this body create a net force of zero, there is nothing that stops this body from continuously moving in a straight line forever and ever. So what keeps this body from continuously moving indefinitely? It's not because of the presence of an underlying force, but it's because of the balancing out of the forces that it's interacting with. In my opinion, that doesn't sound like common sense to me, but I do get why